Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Thursday, May the 9th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by wallstreettrading.com. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading so far for the session. The Dow Jones is now positive, up 6.25. The Comp Q is up over 2.5 points. The Russell 2000 is still negative, but it is back above the opening price there. Let's see what else we got going on here. The S&P is down 2.25. We take a look at the VIX. The VIX is up 35 cents. GDX is having a nice day today. It's up 48 cents, while gold is flat to down. USO for crude oil is down 19 cents. JJC copper is down 31 cents, and silver is pretty much flat. All right, we're seeing some strength in the currencies today as far as the dollar goes, and we're seeing some weakness in the euro. So let's go ahead and take a look at this market and see what's going on here. Of course, the dip buyers are still in control. We had some decent action to the short side this morning on the ES here, as you can see. We had this nice little wave down from, this is a 15-minute chart, by the way. We had this nice little wave down from the highs of 1630 all the way down to 1624. In the chat room, in the My Wall Street TV live trading chat room, we were able to catch this for a good 4 points from the 1628 short to 1624. And then, of course, we have not been able to get any type of retrace for the sell side. So when these sellers are coming in the morning session here, and this is a 5-minute chart you're looking at now, when the sellers are coming into the market in the morning, we're looking for that retrace, and you're just not getting that retrace short for that pattern. You're seeing them try to sell it, buyers come back in, try to sell it, buyers come back in, then they consolidate for a bit, and then they break us back. And right now we're breaking back above this intraday resistance that we had at 1627. And if you take this little channel right here, now we're forecasted to go back up towards the highs, believe it or not, 1629.5. Previous day's close is 1628.75 on the ES. Now, if we take a look at some of these ETFs for some of you guys out there that watch the SPY to trade your stocks or watch the Qs, all right, the NASDAQ, which has been leading the market the past couple of days. If you guys been watching the After the Bell Market Summary videos, we've been talking about the NASDAQ, watching the NASDAQ to show some leadership, and it has done so since our call. So you want to make sure you keep an eye on those technology stocks because they're going to keep on moving higher. And we're going to talk about a couple of them here shortly, at least as far as the casino stocks go, which are in the NASDAQ. So SPY 15-minute chart, we held this 162.90 level. Again, we never got no retrace short sell action. They just consolidated sideways and they broke us right back above 163.20. And this is your little trend line right here, I guess you could say, for the next move off of those lows there. All right, which that forecast again to move up back up towards the highs. Triple Qs, NASDAQ 15-minute chart, we're back above the previous day's highs, the 72.77 level. Again, the triple Qs, ever since we broke above that 70.50 level, we're above that 50% retracement from the tech bubble sell-off back in 2000. NASDAQ's leading the way again today. Russell 2000 is a little bit lackluster during today's session here. IWM, you can see, has not been able to break past the previous day's highs here, 96.45, and it could make a move up there, but right now it's kind of lagging behind, so you want to watch that. All right, so let's talk about some stocks because we did have some decent calls in the market today. You take a look at one of the calls that one of the stock trades that we had on watch this morning was this MGM. Now, we weren't able to buy it off of our S1 level that we gave out in the room this morning around 14.75, but we did catch it for a nice little momentum trade through 15, which is the key level on the weekly chart. And right now we still have some traders that are along that name from 14.98, the 15 area, and it's making new highs. GMCR, this was a fast mover. All right, I'm not sure if any of the traders on the desk caught this, but we did give this name out in the room to watch. The whole idea behind this one was holding below 70 or 69, look for reversal shorts. Above 70, above 69, look for buy entries. And you can see what this thing did here on the 5-minute chart. It just broke out around the open, bounced up around the open, gave you a nice little bull flag on the 5, and it's been going up since. 71 was the key level on that chart right there. So that's about it, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. Make sure you come check out the chat room, mywallstreettv.com, and look to hear from you guys shortly. Have a good day.